I am just feeling myself and I'm matching my nails. Yes, honey. Yes, yes. Give me Vogue. Ooh, give me Vogue. Oh, give me. Ooh. Pose, pose. Catch the glow. Ooh, ooh. Hey, hey. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up, guys? It's your girl Aisha Savón here with another video. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have not, I don't know why you haven't, please subscribe down below to my channel so that you can see all this goodness that is upon us. Yes, today I'm going to be doing this beautiful plum cut crease with some glitter because everybody loves glitter. If you don't, we need to talk. I was inspired by my nails and I've been wanting to do some purple. I was like, why not do a cut crease with glitter? Come on now. If you guys want to see how I achieve this beautiful plum cut crease, then keep on watching. As you can see, I've already done my left eye, so I'm going to go ahead and do my right with you now. So you might see that I have a little bit of purple on here. It's because I just did it and then I messed up, so had to restart, but it's all good. So I'm gonna start off with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime in the shade Medium. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. And now I'm gonna take my Fenty Pro Filter powder and my Sephora Pro Filter brush and tap that powder on to set our eyelid. And now we have our nice fresh base so that we can start with the eyeshadow. So I am taking the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I am taking the shade Burkina right here. And I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And we're just gonna go right in the crease. And this will help my purple so that I can have a nice smooth transition and fan out. Notice that it's not like super noticeable, and that's because it's a nice like skin tone brown color. I don't go too heavy handed with it. I just go light. I like to do both circular and windshield wiper motions. Now we're gonna take the shade Makita right here. It's like a nice violety purple. I'm gonna take this Ipsy T35 Precise Blending Brush. I'm just gonna dab into that purple, and we are going to pack this purple on. Now the reason I haven't done my face yet is because this purple is going to fall the F out. And I'm not trying to get it all up on my face and then have to worry about trying to get it off. I'm gonna take that transition shade and blend that out just a little bit. We're literally gonna be going forth between packing and blending, packing and blending, packing and blending. And that's so that we can have a nice blended out eye. And I'm gonna take this Sephora Pro Blending Brush. It's like nice and fluffy. And we're gonna blend that out. And I'm not using a lot of pressure either. Since we're doing a cut crease, I wanna make sure that there is color on this side because it's gonna be like a half cut crease. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe 562 brush, and I'm just gonna use it with Makita again, but I'm just gonna really get into that crease because it's nice and small and precise. So we can make sure we really get in there, because we wanna make sure that the crease is still nice and bold. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, and this little Juvia's Place brush. I use this to do my eyebrows as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the concealer and get it on my brush. And what I like to do is kind of close my eye a little bit so I can see where it creases. So see, like right there. And then I'll just go along and follow. I've tried doing it the other way, like, you know, the beauty gurus do, where they put on their eyelid and then they close their eye. But my eyes don't work like that. And I end up getting it everywhere, all on my eye. And I get so mad. You want to take your time when you're doing a cut crease. You can do, like, you know, a whole motion, but I like to just take my time. It will come out much better, trust me. So you can get that nice moon shape. I'm gonna take that all the way into my corner. You don't want to use too much concealer because then it'll just get all caked up in there. And since I'm doing glitter, it's okay for it to not be super perfect. That's one thing about using glitter. It's kind of like a cheat. Because if you mess it up, you can clean it up with the glitter. I'm gonna make sure that I don't look up so that I don't get it on my eye like I did before. So I'm just gonna take my brush that I had before and just blend out that concealer. I'm gonna take this little flat brush that I have and I'm just gonna use that to blend it out. Now I'm gonna take the Magic palette by Juvia's and I'm going to dig into the shade Cassie. It's like a nice pale, like taupe shade. I'm gonna take that flat brush and I'm going to use it to set the concealer. And I find that if I set it, it will not make the eyeshadow get patchy. Now I'm gonna take the shade Faso. I'm gonna take this Pro Small Shadow Sephora brush. It's nice and small. And I'm gonna just swoop into Faso so we can get it nice and on there. I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus spray and just spray it. Whoop! We're just gonna spray it just a little bit so that it can get nice and damp so that it can really give it some color. And now I'm just gonna pack it on to where I just cut my crease. I'm also gonna take this Juvia's brush and do the same thing. I can really get in there. I'm gonna take the shade right down here. It's like a very deep purpley blue color. And I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place brush and I'm gonna dab it in there. And now I'm gonna go on the outside so we can deepen up that outside corner a little bit. I'm kind of just packing it on. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit so that we can deepen that area. And now for the glitter. So I'm not gonna actually use this, and it's the Urban Decay Metal. I just like to use it for the little brush because it's nice and small and precise. So I'm gonna clean it off. Plot twist. I'm gonna take this STILA glitter and it's in Diamond Dust. I'm gonna take the wand out and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay one and get the product on there. And I'm even gonna dip it in there. So now I'm just gonna go along where I cut my crease. Refrain from looking up. And with this eye, I noticed I went a little too wide with my glitter line. So I'm just gonna take this little precise brush and I'm gonna go back in with the shade Faso and just bring it up so that we can close that glitter in a little bit and make our line a little bit thinner. See, that's better. And after we apply the glitter, I like to let it dry for a little bit. So we're gonna just do a little bit of fanning. Now I'm just gonna go underneath my eye with the purples that I used, the Makeda and the Iffy. Right under there, I'm gonna take Makeda first and just do a little bit. I'm gonna take Iffy right on the outside so that the outside can be a little bit deeper. And then I'm gonna blend it out with Makeda. And I don't want to go all the way in just yet because I plan on highlighting the inside. I think we are looking good, hunty. Look at this purple. Oof. So I'm gonna go get this purple off of my face and go finish the rest of this gorgeousness, and then I will be back. So I have finished my face, you guys. This is how it has come out. And it is fire. Like, I am feeling myself now. Okay. I know you feeling it too, because I can feel it. I feel you feeling me feeling it. Okay. Yes, honey. For my lips, I put on my MAC Cork lip liner. And then I went in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. It is the shade Stripped. It's their liquid lipstick. And then I went over top, of course, with gloss because I'm me. Come on now. I went on top with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And I threw on my lashes. My lashes are, of course, from Your Lash Bar in the style Tequila Sunrise. Because, come on, what other lashes do I wear? I swear I'm getting more soon, okay, guys? All right? Don't come at my life, okay? I like these lashes, so let me live. This is actually the last pack that I have of them. So, I definitely have to get more. That's God telling me, girlfriend, get some lashes, okay? I did just get this head wrap yesterday, and I'm really liking it. It's very stretchy, and it is from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in getting it. I have been feeling head wraps more lately because it's easy for me to just throw my head in it if I don't feel like doing my hair. But it's like a very thin, it's like jersey knit material. It looks white, but it actually has like a slight purple hue to it, which I'm honestly not mad at because what's today's look, guys? But I really do like it, and it's very, very comfortable and breathable. Like, I don't feel like my head is gonna get hot underneath it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you haven't, girl, boy, sis, whatever you identify as, what is you doing? Hit that subscribe button below. Right down there. All right, it's right there. Hit it, okay? Make sure to check out my other videos if you have not, because they're pretty cool. I think so. Thank you for watching me achieve this beautiful plum look. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna be feeling myself all day. I'm never gonna want to take it off. But thank you guys for watching me achieve this beautiful plummy cut crease, okay? I will see you guys in the next video.